So today I wanted to talk about spring. I was eating my breakfast, that's why I took it here. You see, I put a photo in it of my breakfast. I took a photo of my breakfast that I was eating this morning for Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram as well. Anyway, so today I want to talk about spring and the colors of spring and all that, and what is cool for springtime color, and what spring is. Okay, so spring basically is the changing of the season. Well, it's a season, and it is where you went from winter, autumn, and then you have spring. Spring is the season of rebirth. It's the season of color, nature, and beauty. And so I decided I want to do an entire spring lookbook of all the beautiful colors of spring, whether it be yellow, pink, purple, you know, all the colors, to show you our Easter colors or spring colors, the beautiful patterns of the season. And so today, for my spring look, in the morning, because you know we don't go anywhere, so I just basically casual all the time. So I throw on a big t-shirt that I was wearing from last night, and I throw on this big yellow t-shirt, and I'm wearing basically the shorts. I'll show you the entire look there, so you see the entire look and entire look clip. So basically this is my springtime morning look, you know, or relax at home, or lock down at home, or you know, look. And yeah, this is my springtime look, and I will show you like basically 7 looks that I wear for the entire season, or just for this vlog, because I'm just showing you basically a springtime look. And you can tell me how you dress in the spring season, the Easter season. What are your favorite colors to wear in the season, or your favorite patterns to wear? So yeah, this is my springtime morning look or Easter season morning look.
As you guys can see, I'm having my lunch with baby Ari today, and what I'm wearing is that I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder black floral shirt and some 2 straps at the top to hold it up, because you can see the off-the-shoulder floral part is very deep cut. Yeah, and then I'm wearing a jeans short, some little raw edges, and a white and orange belt. So that's my look. Yep. Oh, I forgot to mention my shoes. I'm wearing Fila, white Fila, chunky heel.
So people, I am wearing a black and white hoodie shirt. My hair is messy because you know it's in the morning. I decided not to plait my hair, but I went to sleep in this one, and I was basically wearing the tights. Ginger tea is having the spring flavor, and I'm wearing a long tights with some gold, no, some silver diamond studded right there. And if I was wearing shoes, because I'm not wearing shoes, you saw the footage earlier, I'm not wearing shoes, but if I was wearing shoes, I would wear my black sneakers. And yeah, and that's what I'll be wearing today. And this is my morning look.
So the black sneakers that I'm wearing is from Fashion Nova, and the black jacket is also from Fashion Nova. The other outfits are pieces that I already had in my wardrobe. Yeah, and this is my red and black spring look. Yeah.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you.
And for my last spring color outfit is this pinkish salmon jacket. The jacket is really orange and the shirt is some kind of orange too, but it looks pink on camera. Okay, the sneakers that I was just showing you is also from Fashion Nova as well. So yeah.
Tell me that you love me and you need me, but leave me at the dry. with me.